So I'm here. So Sunday was our burpee challenge announcement day.
Yes, it
Yes,
was.
yes. And Rhonda was at church as I was announcing with Jason our burpee challenge. And thank you to everybody who has responded so well. That burpee challenge was a lot of fun. But Rhonda, what did you think that I was going to do?
Oh my gosh, I thought you and Jason were going to have a burping contest. I didn't have no clue whatsoever. And then when you popped down on the ground, I thought, my goodness, what is going on? I did. I thought you were going to be in junior high.
A burping contest. That is hilarious. I love it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that. I did very much. Thanks, Rhonda. That's
Bye.
wonderful. Bye.